Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create a dashboard components for the customer and admin. After that, we will see how can we navigate the user to their dashboard page on the base of the role. So let's get started. Let me open here the React.js application. As you can see, the page is packaged. Inside this, let me create a new folder for the admin. After that, we have a package with the name customer. Inside this, we have a package with the name components. Inside the components, we have a package with the name dashboard. Inside the dashboard package, we have a file with the name customer dashboard.js. Let me create a new folder inside the admin package with the name components. Inside the components, we have a package with the name dashboard. Inside the dashboard package, we have a file with the name admin dashboard.js. Now here inside this file, let me create a function with the name admin dashboard. So it will be export default function and name of the function that we have admin dashboard. Inside this, let me add a return where we have a h1 tag with the caption admin dashboard. Let me copy this. Let me add inside the customer dashboard.js file. Update the function name that we have customer dashboard and the caption that we have customer. After that, let me open here app.js. And here I'm going to register the admin dashboard and the customer dashboard components as a routing. So let me duplicate these lines. Update the comment that we have admin components. Update the path that we have /admin/dashboard. And we have to load here the component that we have admin dashboard. Now let me copy these. Let me add after that. Let me update here the comment that we have customer components. Update the path for the customer dashboard component that we have /customer/dashboard. And we have to load here the component that we have customer dashboard. As you can see the imports. Now after that, let me open here sign in component. As you can see the method that we have handle submit where we are calling the login endpoint. Inside this method we have if condition where we are checking the status. If the status is 200, then we have to extract token from the response data. So let me initialize a variable with the name token and we have to extract the token from the API response. So it will be a response.data.token. After extracting it, I'm going to call the method from the common.js file that we have save token. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here the token that we are extracting from the API response. Let me open here common.js file that we have created inside the URLs package. As you can see the method that we have save token. Let me import the save token method from the common.js file. Now after that, I'm going to add here the if condition where we have to check if the admin is logged in. Then we have to navigate the user to the admin dashboard page. If the customer is logged in, then we have to navigate the user to the customer dashboard. So let me call the method from the common.js file that we have is admin logged in. Then we have to navigate the user to the admin dashboard page. So let me add here the path that we have /admin/dashboard. After that, let me add here else if where we have to call the method from the common.js file that is customer logged in. Then we have to navigate the user to the customer dashboard. Let me update here the path that is a /customer/dashboard. Now I'm going to import is admin logged in method from the common.js file. After that, let me import here is customer logged in method. As you can see the import. Now let's go back to the browser. Let me add the credentials of the customer. Now let's click on the sign in button. As you can see, it's navigating us to the customer dashboard page. Now let me log in here the admin. Let's click on the sign in button. And as you can see, it's navigating us to the admin dashboard page. So that's all from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care.